Buenos noches, damas y caballeros, ¿cómo estás? I just arrived in the tiny little town of Paramo, which is a 40-minute bus ride from San Gil. San Gil is, to relate it to a little bit bigger city, is 3 hours from Bucaramanga. And I've come here today to as you can see and hear, it's very, very quiet here. It's a Wednesday. This is the main Parque Principal, and this is the little cathedral. And I'm going to show you how to get to this restaurant, even though I need to figure it out myself. I have a pretty good general idea. I think that it's up this way, one block left. Now there might be other restaurants that serve the same stuff, but I'm going to go to this one place because again it's like a little mini museum, so it's pretty cool. Okay, I just got some instructions, so that's the church. One more block this way. Left, which is Izquierda, and then one block, and then I think it was right for basically one more block, so it's not far. Okay, so it says right there, Carrera 6. It's got yellow poker, so you turn left here. Just one block and then right. Let's go right here. And then I will recognize it when I see it. It's not too far. Who's this guy here? Restaurante El Rincón de Natico. I think this is it. But I'm going to walk just a little bit further to make sure it isn't half a block more. But I think that's the place. Actually, no, that wasn't the place. This is it right here. Rancha. You'll see this mural. And I remember it was more on a corner, so let's go check it out. Sounds pretty quiet in there. Okay, so this is not the soup that I had before. So I'm not quite sure what's going on. I thought that I was getting the same soup as before, the puntao, which is loaded with vegetables and stuff. This is like a Just a liquidy, creamy, it's not even much taste to it. Maybe there's another soup, I don't know. I'm very disappointed. And this is the main course, so let's unravel this. We've got a big chunk of avocado, aguacate, a little bit of limon. I presume this is a grape on top here. So I ordered the chicken. And that's going to be yuca there. Pretty basic. Oh, there we go. Platano underneath here. And half an arepa. I thought that's what I thought I heard her say. So as far as the soup is concerned, I'm going to just try to get over my sadness about not having the same soup and just enjoy the fact that I tried something new. And looks like this should be pretty good. Very basic, but I'll enjoy this too. And then I'll go look for the cave. All right, I've tried everything. Everything's cooked really nicely. The arepa isn't just your plain old type of arepa. It's got other things in it. Quite good. My favorite thing is having a little bit of plantain with the chicken. To me, it's a delicious combination. Chicken's got really nice, very basic, but really nice spicing. It's good. I am done, so I'm going to show you around a little bit. A little museum part here. Got some old clothes. A bunch of little LPs on the wall there. A bunch of guitars. What you hear in the music is the record player. Some pottery. More pottery. Old typewriters. I'm not going to show you the whole place because that's in my other video, but there's a really nice garden. I think you can eat at a table out in the garden there. There's the record player playing some nice old music. Let's find out how much it costs.
States.
Yeah.
I used to have my own restaurant,
Oh yeah.
but for the COVID, I closed it out, and now I do this.
You had a restaurant in this town or a
No, in
different town?
Bucaramanga.
Oh, Bucaramanga.
You know Bucaramanga
Yeah.
is the capital.
Yeah. Just not enough.
Are you recording right now?
I'm recording now. But we can.
Hey everyone, my name is Mauricio. I'm from Colombia. I'm here with Tomas.
Yes.
With Tomas, we just met in a traditional restaurant in a small town in Santander that is called La Rancha. It's a restaurant for Teresa. Teresa is the second best cooker or chef in our state. It's a very particular restaurant because
She's the second best because what? Who's
because
the best?
she compete in.
This is a competition.
It's a competition,
Oh,
yes.
okay. So
But
this is
only
real.
for traditional cookers.
Okay.
No, like they have to cook authentic food for our state.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. I thought you were just saying that to be gracious and nice. But
No,
she
it's-
actually did win a contest. That's
Exactly.
competition.
Yes, it's a prize. She won 4 years ago,
Oh,
and
okay.
they have this competition every 5 years.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Wow, impressive.
Yes.
So I have to ask you a question. When I was here 3 months ago, I had a soup that was like full of different vegetables and it was delicious. So that was the main reason I was coming back here to introduce the best soup in Colombia. And the soup I had today is totally different. So what's happened there?
I don't know which one. I don't know which one you had 3 months ago and which one you have today. But actually, the plate that she compete with was with that soup.
Oh, okay.
She made the recipe from some ancestors, and she used some ingredients from this region. I don't know which one. If you have the same one at the time, but I don't know. I don't know the reason.
Okay, so that soup is not like something that they have all the time here. It's just
She
something
only makes.
made up that.
She just made that. Yeah.
Oh, so I had the best soup in the world 3 months ago, and now
Yes. Yes.
you can't see now. You can't do it anymore. You should have come here 3 months ago.
Exactly.
Yeah, I had like a creamy kind of a soup.
It's creamy.
today,
It's
which was
creamy.
Still good, but the other soup had all kinds of. It was like chunky soup with lots of vegetables, and just it was the best soup I've had in Colombia.
Well, I'm gonna let you know this afternoon after I have my lunch. I still waiting because I have a late breakfast. So maybe in an hour I let you know which one I had.
Okay, sounds good. So, how long has this restaurant been here? Do you know?
So
Open
over 20 years. It's like 24 years. Yes.
4 years. Okay. And all the things on the walls are just old memories and mementos and
From the town. It's not
the
from her
town.
family. It's from the whole
from
town.
the whole town, right?
So here you're gonna find mayors, some priests, some all kind of people from this town. Yes.
right. All right.
Are you gonna be here for the Pizza Fest next month?
I don't know. I don't have a plan yet.
You
so-
better be. I take care of
I'll
you. I
try.
invite you to some places.
Okay, cool.
Well, everyone is invited to come to Colombia to visit this country. It's very cool. It's very nice. People are very warm, and you guys always welcome to visit. Yes or no, Thomas?
Absolutamente. Si quiero
Okay.
que sí. Bueno. All right. Let's seek out the waterfall. So, what was also funny, see if I can go this way, was that the guy that spoke really good English from the tour agency, he came in too, he recognized me right away, so nice to see him. And he told me how to get to the exit of the waterfall and the cave, so that was really good timing. And as you can see, the other guy who lived in New York for a while, very friendly, and he's telling me about a big pizza competition in a month, so he said stick around for that. So I've only walked 2 blocks, I'm already on the edge of the town. Got some kind of a big old factory here made of brick, but I'm clearly going the wrong way to the entrance of the caves, so I'm gonna have to try and figure this out. Alright, I think we're on track now. Oh yeah, this is it. Yeah, it was a block over this way, so definitely remember this old thing here. Now, okay, so yeah, it's just down there. So last time I, you can just see it through the bush there. I did a little mini zip line down to the entrance, but this time I have to go down all these stairs. And the last few steps, and this is the cave. Let's go inside the cave. So yeah, I'm just going to take a few quick photos from inside the cave, just a little bit. And then I'll head to the exit where there's a waterfall. But, as you can see, it's not a cave that's all lit up, so I can't go any further even if I wanted to. past the entrance here. Okay, just inside the cave now. This is going to be my basic view. And if you're into photography, you'll know that from the brightness you see on the camera here, I'll be having to take at least a couple different exposures, but probably about 3 because it goes from dark to extreme bright. So you have to take different exposures, correct exposures, and then combine them into one photo in Photoshop Lightroom. If there was actually a waterfall flowing instead of just a trickle, that would be a kind of a nice spot. But just thought I'd show you a little bit different view of the cave before I head to the exit. Very lush jungle. Since I probably won't be coming back here, I will give you a view from above the dried up waterfall. There's the zip line right there. Like I said, it's just a short one. Okay, time to go. Just 2 blocks away from where the waterfall is. Just a nice little viewpoint. As you can see, the edge of town is only another 2 blocks on each direction, so very small. That's the way I like it. And right there you can see the steeple of the church, cathedral. Okay, I think this is the blue house that he's talking about, and this was the dirt trail down to the exit of the waterfall, so it's not terribly far. And while I think of it, who's down here? These fruits just falling off the trees. Yeah, kind of looks like it. The restaurant where I ate at, the Rancha, the meal cost 20,000 pesos. 20,000 pesos, which is about $7.80 Canadian, $6.80 US. So it's the actual food part was 17,000 though. Bottle of water was 3 extra, which is a little bit more than I normally prefer to pay. I go to a place for 10,000 that includes unlimited lemonade, like a huge picture of it where you can drink, and the meal. But I will add that, you know, this place, they had more. Need this down here. They do have more chicken, and so I guess it's all relative. Beautiful flowers. Am I going the right way here or not? I'm not really sure. Don't think that I am. No, I don't think that I am. Kind of neat down here with all those rocks. But yeah, I'm don't think I went the right way. Still can't find it, but I thought I might as well show you the nice view while I'm here. Has to be close. Well, I sure hope this is it, because it's kind of muddy and treacherous, so I don't want to waste a bunch of time going down a trail that isn't the right one, but I guess that's what I get for being stubborn and not asking somebody. I don't really remember the scenery, to be quite honest. I definitely hear water down there though. think I'm actually going the wrong way, but that I'm going to end up where I am trying to get to. I hear definite water over the hill there, but this is definitely not the trail that I was on before, because I just was off trail for a little while back there, and I know I didn't do any off trailing when I was here before. Anyway, as long as I get there, that's the main thing. If it isn't over this hill, then that's going to be a problem. Then I won't know where it is. I'm still not sure if I'm at the right spot, but there is a pretty decent looking waterfall over there, so that is bugs jumping all over me here, small and large. This is either the waterfall that I was at before, or this will be a nice new one. So either way, it will have been worth it, I think. Down here. So this is definitely not the same waterfall. So I see somebody up there in orange, probably looking at me. So I'm going to take some photos. I also saw some other people further up the creek, so I'm guessing that's probably where they are, the waterfall that I was at before. Definitely like the angle over here. And this is definitely nicer than the other waterfall that I now know for sure is just over the top of this waterfall, because I could see the little mini, not really a bungee jump, but it's a jump from a tree. So I know that the trail is right up there now, so it'll be much easier to get back. And side angle shot. This waterfall here definitely has a few neat features that the other one doesn't, but that's what I love about waterfalls. They're all unique in their own way. Kind of a neat view. That other waterfall. You probably can't hear it because of the water, but clouding over, I can hear thunder quite frequently off and on the distance. And this is the obstacle course, part of it that is, that I did when I was here before. And again, when I was here before, I didn't even have time to turn around and take a few shots of this part of the cave. I'm sure that looks pretty dark on all the sides, but I'll show you the exit. Let's give this angle a try. I think this one might be the best angle. All right, everybody, I need to get walking as I'm talking because it's 4:30 and I'm not sure what time the last bus is back to San Gil. I'm sure there's one at 5, which would be, I should be able to get back there just in time for that. But I don't know if there's one at 5:30 or even 6, so I simply can't take the chance that there will be a 5:30 bus, because I know from Cascada 1 Curry. I think the last one's 5:30, so there probably is, but you know, this is about 35, 40 minutes outside of Sand Hill, so the last thing I want to do is walk or have to pay a taxi to take me all the way back to Sand Hill. Not that it would break the bank, but it's a lot more than 6,000 pesos, which I paid to get here, which is only like 280 Canadian. All right, got a bit of a leg burner here coming up. Some beautiful scenery. Hope you enjoyed this video. Unfortunately, I didn't have the world's greatest soup or the Colombia's best soup, but it was interesting to learn about how she actually changes it up and how that woman in La Rancha was such a good chef. So I am honored, señorita or señora. Anyhow, thanks again for watching. And if you liked the video, please consider subscribing, give me a thumbs up, because it helps to motivate me to keep going with my paltry amount of subscribers that I have, so it's not like I'm making any money off this. And until next time, hasta los tacos from Cueva de los Indios. Ciao. Okay, just to add a little bit, you did talk about a little Coliseum, turn right there, so that's where it is. And I got about 5 blocks to walk back to town there. And there's the bus waiting just for me. I'm going to ask him what time the last bus would have been, just out of curiosity. Okay, really signing off. Ciao.